Fears, the biggest manifesting block. I know you all have them. I'll teach you how to get rid of them in 10 seconds flat. It's not difficult. It's really easy. You just need to listen to me. And please listen to the whole video because I have lots of different information you need to hear to understand how to fix this problem. So, how many fears there are? There are roughly 50 fears, plus I made one fear of mother-in-law. They didn't include it in that, which are totally destroying our lives unnecessarily. All fears are an illusion made up in your head. You bought into voluntarily. You had choice not to. No blame culture here, but we need to remove that because it's not real. It is not real. You're being stressed out and you've been failing your whole life because of something what doesn't exist. You need to understand that. And if it doesn't exist, if you remove it, you're gonna get what you want, right? So, what are the biggest fears? Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of embarrassment, fear of visibility, fear of rejection. I'm gonna talk about all of them. Uh, Everyone has them. Some people have multitude of them. Some people have all of them. You can still remove them in 10 seconds flat. It's not difficult. It's easy. But before we start, Jana Green, international award-winning success and manifesting coach, and I teach people how to manifest at the speed of light. Why? Because I do. Manifesting is super easy. It takes 1 second. It works every single time if you do it correctly. I teach on this channel how to do it correctly, and I teach it for free. So click the subscribe button, click the bell icon. You'll be notified every time I send a new video, release a new video. And I have a new freebie for you. You have to have that one because I will be teaching you how to manifest in 1 second. And you need to wait till the end of the video to understand where you can get it. So, what I want you to do, I want you to do a couple of things. I want you to go get a pen and paper because you'll be writing such stuff down. It's really important. So pause the video, go get it. I'm happy to wait here. Now, I want you to take a piece of paper and split it in half. And on left side, put money, on right side, put love, or whatever you're manifesting. And I want you to take the time and write everything you're fearing about money and everything you're fearing about love. And it's going to take some time, and you're going to want to keep adding to it because you need a whole list in order for this to work. I want all your fears about money and love written down. It could take 10 minutes. It could take 5 days. Who knows? But you'll just keep adding because it's incredibly important. And then I want you to do one thing. I want you to remember the biggest trauma you have ever survived. Whether it had to do with health or money or being abandoned or someone doing something horrible or someone not making it, I want you to write down the biggest trauma of your lifetime when you were in pieces, you thought you're not going to make it, and it was very, very, very unpleasant and difficult. So think of that, write it down for me. And before you start removing all the fears you wrote on your paper for money and love, I want you to realize one thing. I want you to realize that you very quickly managed and survived your biggest life trauma. And it was probably something quite hideous. And I want you to look at all the fears in money and love, and I want you to compare them to the worst trauma you have ever survived. And I can bet you that in 95 to 99% of cases, what you survived is far bigger and heavier and more difficult than your fears in money and love. And I want you to remember that you survived easily and healthily this trauma. that nothing can get you down, that nothing can beat you, that you're here to stay, you're here to get what you want. And you've survived so many nasty things that some ridiculous made up fears on your paper have no power over you. I actually bet that quite a few of you will feel embarrassed that you have ridiculous fears compared to the stuff you had to survive in your life. Whether it is people dying or going through divorce or being robbed or any sort of really, really bad trauma or being in love and that person let you down in the worst of ways. Um, you survive, you're a survivor. Look at the ridiculous, small, tiny fears, irrelevant fears which are holding you back. Isn't that a little embarrassing? Stop it. You're a fighter. You're someone who survived. Don't let anything, especially something that doesn't exist, intimidate you into not being happy and successful. Don't let that happen. Are we clear on this? Do this exercise and keep reminding yourself and keep finding the fears connected to money and love and just get rid of them by, I never have enough money. Yes, I always have money, and compared to what I have to survive, this is nothing. Go, goodbye. It takes seconds to do. And yes, sometimes you have to say it 50 times before it goes. Sometimes you say it once and it goes instantly. But you can get rid of these fears instantly. It's not a big deal. Especially, remember, compared to everything you survived successfully. So just keep shifting them off, okay? Let's go back to the fears of failure. Everyone's afraid that they'll fail. But you know what? Failure doesn't exist because there's only two things which happen in life. You either succeed or you learn. Failure is not in the equation. And you learn something universe wanted you to know so you can succeed. It wanted you to learn a lesson which will bring you to the success you want. So there is no failure. What are you afraid of? Again, you're afraid of something what doesn't exist. Lots of you are fearing success because if you're successful, your family will hate you, your friends will hate you, everyone in pub or restaurant will ask you to pay because you're a millionaire and you should, and you're afraid you'll lose friends, blah, 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 blah. Or you're afraid that you cannot possibly do better than your parents. You cannot do that to them. That's not nice. People, these are fears which are ridiculous. I'm made up by you. Since when do we care what other people think? We do not. Because we're the only alive people in our reality. Everyone else is hologram. Why do we care about what holograms think? We don't. So stop it. Just be happy to succeed. And people who love you, who truly love you, will be happy for you. People who don't love you, they've never loved you and they will show themselves. People who love you will be drawn to you when you succeed because you'll be like a magnet. And they will not abuse you, they'll just be happy for you and they'll want you to succeed more. I want everyone to succeed more. I don't want anyone to fail because failure makes miserable people. The failure which doesn't exist because you translated it wrong makes you miserable. I don't want miserable world. I want people to succeed. Another fear of embarrassment. What if you embarrass yourself? So what? So what? We all embarrassed ourselves multiple times. You're embarrassed for 5 seconds, some of you 5 minutes. Do you remember what you were embarrassed about 40 years ago? No, and no one cares. It's ridiculous. You can unmanifest it, you can revise it, and say that that thing which embarrassed you never happened. So, what are you afraid of? Nothing to be afraid of. Fear of visibility, that's for people in businesses. You want to be successful in life, you have to be visible. That's what marketing is. You have to be visible to Start a business, be successful in business. You have to be actually visible to even have a boyfriend, right? Stop being afraid. Again, stop being afraid of visibility and embarrassment. No one cares. Just go, keep going. Just keep going. I was coaching um, Miss Czech Republic, and her fear, she broke down in tears. Her fear was that of 20 years ago, someone wrote a really bad article about her, and she's embarrassed to talk to people. And I was like, no one remembers that article. Everyone cares about their own problems. No one knows that you ever did that or said that. What are you afraid of? Changed her life completely. She was on the front of Psychology magazine in 2 months after we broke this. Why would you be embarrassed? Why would you be afraid to be visible? It's ridiculous. Stop it. And fear of rejection. Um, People who reject you are generally called assholes. Why do you care what assholes do? You want to hang around with good people. Good people will never reject you because they know that it stinks and they don't do it to other people. So you just manage to find assholes, get rid of them, find people who are cool, wonderful, and amazing and who won't reject you. It's that easy. Okay? Get some balls, people. And now, because you hang around throughout the whole video, I have amazing brand new freebie I worked on really hard. You're gonna love it. And it's a guide to manifesting in 1 second. You can get it in the description of the video. You download it, work on it, and you're this much closer to getting everything you want instantly. And I'll see you soon. Ciao for now.